Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the blazer inside out to shield the exterior. This prevents snags. Next, clear all pockets. Pens and receipts make bulges, and lay the garment flat. Fold each shoulder toward the center so the jacket's profile narrows. This reduces thickness. Once done, place the blazer on a thin sheet or packing folder that matches its length, aligning seams. This first fold sets structure, so make sure edges are straight and sleeves overlap neatly for a compact base. Next, form a protective core. Roll a dress shirt or thin tee into a tight tube. This preserves shoulder shape. Once rolled, slide it into the blazer through the back opening so the roll sits along the spine. Fold sleeve tips over the roll, tucking them under to keep the core snug. Smooth each panel from center outward to push out air pockets. This reduces creases. Make sure the roll fills the jacket evenly. Uneven bulk creates pressure points that cause wrinkles. Finish by folding the blazer once or twice around the core so it fits your suitcase depth. Keep folds minimal to limit lines. Place it on top of softer items or in a garment bag. Do not stack heavy objects on it. If creases appear after travel, hang the blazer in a steamy bathroom for 10-15 minutes or run a low-heat iron over a damp cloth. This relaxes fibers without damage. If stubborn wrinkles persist, a handheld steamer or professional pressing will restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.